Welcome student. Today I am going to explain chapter 4 carbon and its compound parts 14. First of all we have to know usage of ethanol. We have a study about the properties and reactions of ethanol. Now we have to explain what are the uses of ethanol. So first one is it is a constituent of beverages. It is a constituent of beverages like beer, wine, whiskey and other liquors, in which beer contains around 3 to 6% of ethanol, while whiskey contains 50% ethanol, wine contains 10 to 20% ethanol. So these beverages are not more useful, but in some way it is little useful. Second point, it is also used to sterilize or kill the germs present in the wounds, and also it is used to sterilize the syringes before the giving the injection. Third one, a mixture of ethanol and water. A mixture of ethanol and water has a much lower freezing point. Than that of water. This is known as antifreeze. This is known as antifreeze, which is used in radiators. What are radiators? Radiators are the cooling system that are used in vehicles. So antifreeze are used in radiators in vehicles in cold countries where water freezes at the boiling point of at the freezing point of water, but antifreeze does not freeze at that temperature. Fourth use is it is widely used in industries as a solvent. For liquors. Varnishes are a type of chemical that are used to insulate the wires or cables that are used in winding fans or motors. It is also used to dilute perfumes and in flavoring agents. Flavoring agents means the substances that give flavor to the food. Now fifth point, it is also used in the manufacture of paints that are used to paint the walls or iron articles, etc. It is also used in medicines, dyes, that means colors, soaps and synthetic rubbers. So alcohols are very useful. Next one is solutions of ethanol. Solutions of ethanols are often prepared in pharmaceutical industries. Pharmaceutical industries are the industries that produces medicines, several types of medicines. So in these industries, these solutions are known as tinctures, like tincture of iodine, that is a solution of potassium iodide in alcohol. So tincture of iodine used to sterilize wound or to prevent germs from the wounds or cut. Seventh point is it is also used as an important raw material from which several substances are prepared. Raw materials are the substances from which the next substances are produced in industries, like for the synthesis of many organic compounds. For example, what are these organic compounds? So these compounds are ethanol, that is an aldehyde. ethanoic acid, that is a carboxylic acid, and ethanoic anhydride. Ethanoic anhydride. This is also acid derivatives that are used to prepare several compounds. Esters, that are sweet smelling substance. Chloroform, that is used as an anesthesia. So ethanol is very important chemical. So in this class we study about the usage of ethanol. Now we have to study the detection. How do we detect the ethanol if we have a solution of ethanol? So to detect the ethanol, we take a small piece of sodium metal, and so this test is known as sodium metal test. When a small piece of sodium metal is added to an alcohol, hydrogen gas is evolved with effervescence. Effervescence means giving fizzy sound when hydrogen gas is evolved. If we want to test this gas, when we bring a burning splinter near the hydrogen gas bubbles, these gas are burned with pop sound. So the pop sound is the main characteristic properties of hydrogen gas. So in this case we see a chemical reaction occurred. First substance is ethanol. When react with sodium metal, it gives sodium ethanoate. It gives sodium ethanoate, and hydrogen gas is evolved. Second one is phosphorus pentachloride test. Phosphorus pentachloride test. In this test, we treat phosphorus pentachloride with alcohols. So, on treatment with phosphorus pentachloride, alcohol become warm. And hydrogen chloride gas is evolved. Hydrogen chloride gas is evolved. So we see that ethanol, when react with phosphorus pentachloride, chloroethane is formed with hydrogen chloride and phosphoric chloride. So we see that this is the test which are used to detect the ethanol in the lab. In the next segment, we study about the ill effect of ethanol when it is denatured. Denatured ethanol is very injurious, so we should not take it because it gives a very bad situation to us. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.